So hey guys, so in this video of the tutorial series, we're going to be creating the text box widget, and that's going to basically go inside our container here. And it's going to display the output of the dictionary attack to the user. So let's close this. So what we're going to start with is we're going to do a comment. So I'm going to put a comment here, and let's just say text box widget, so we know where it's placed. So the code here is going to be for the text box widget. Self.text underscore output is equal to tk.text, and the frame, the parent for it, is going to be frame underscore output. So this widget is going to be tied to this frame. So frame output. Save that. And then self.text underscore output dot place is going to be relative height is going to equal 1, and relative width is going to equal 1. So effectively what this is saying is this widget is going to take up the whole height and the whole width of this output. So effectively the height and width is going to be 475 and 500 of this widget. Okay, so if we run that, we can see the widget inside here. So here's our text widget. So we need to do a few more changes to this widget. Okay, so the main thing we now need to add is the scroll bars for the widget. So text underscore scroll y is equal to tk.scrollbar frame underscore output, because it's going to be part of the frame. And this orient, so the orientation of it is going to be vertical. And it needs a command, which we're going to, oh, actually, we can do the command now. Sorry, so frame output, comma, orient. And then the command is going to equal self.text underscore output dot y view. So what this is effectively going to do is update the y-axis. When this is activated, it's going to update the y-axis of the text output. So that's going to keep, so it's going to show the change. If there's a lot of change to your x-axis, the scroll bar is going to appear, and the y view is going to be the changes that you see. So you can see, we can see the disclaimer page, the help page, etc. So it's effectively the scrolling function. Okay, and then we're going to do the same for the x. So it should be everything. I just need to put a comma here. Okay, and then text underscore scroll x equals tk.scrollbar. Parent widget is going to be the frame output. The orient x, because it's x-axis, so it's going to be horizontal. And then the command is going to equal self.text underscore output dot xview. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to configure the text output to contain both of these variables, objects that we've created. Self.text underscore output dot configure. So the y scroll command is going to equal text underscore scroll y dot set, and the x scroll command is going to equal to text underscore scroll x dot set. So this basically binds the scroll bar here and this scroll bar to this text output object. Okay, and then we just need to pack these in so they can display. So text underscore scroll y dot pack side. So we're going to pack it on the right side. The parent widget, which is frame output, and the fill. So we're going to fill the whole of the y-axis. Okay, and then let's do the same here. So then for the x, so text scroll x. Oh, sorry, this should be pack, not place. Same for here. So pack side equals bottom, and fill equals x. Okay, so let's run that. And there we go. So we have our text widget here, text box, and then we have the y-axis, as you can see, and the x-axis. And then once the text is long enough, then they should activate. So like the y-axis activates. And this is the Y view command, updating it. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to create the tree view widget. So that's all for now. Bye.